different, didn't it? Antique drapes. Straight up.
Alright, y'all, we at one of the properties. Right now we're just hanging up some temporary drapes that we found laying around, just to close the windows in, just so that, you know, from the street people can't just, you know, walk up and just see on the inside. Yeah, that's just what we're doing just right now, just as a window covering. And it looks better than like newspaper up to the windows or like a sheet. So whenever I come across like spare drapes and stuff, no, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, so that's what we just did with those windows back here and the windows all the way up there. I'm gonna move y'all back and see if I can kind of show y'all some of the stuff we did. I'm gonna set y'all right here. So this right here is the dining room. I got y'all sitting in the kitchen, but this is the dining room. We had a wall that was right here that opened up into like an arch. There was a wall right here. What you call them kind of walls? Because we had to support it.
You said the wall? Oh, the
Load bearing.
yeah, load bearing.
We had a load bearing wall right here, so it had to get re-supported because I wanted this space opened up. And I feel like it looked better, just wide open like this. And then back here is the living room. And then the French doors, those go out to a porch, a bricked in porch. But you can only access that porch through these two double doors. So it's like a little private porch right there. But I feel like it looks so much more open without the wall there. Like it looks so much better. But it was a whole wall right here with just like a small opening that was like arched out, and then it led you into the dining room. So it was like separation between the living room and the dining room. But taking away that wall opened up the space, so now the living room flow into the dining room. The dining room flows into the kitchen. It was a wall. Let me turn y'all this way now. So this is the kitchen. This is some sheetrock, but you probably can't see. I can see a small little piece of this, but this whole wall went all the way up to the ceiling. I had this wall taken out too, or cut in half just to open up the space to the actual kitchen. So yeah, y'all, I'll be having like little visions and stuff. This is a 2-unit that we're converting into a 1-unit, y'all. Let me show y'all some of the work we did in the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. So have our sink here. Still gotta do like the vanity and stuff like that. Get the, you know, like the vanity mirror. You have your outlets, you know, to plug in, you know, like blow dryers and stuff like that. Oh Lord, my battery's dying. Toilet is here. Here's the shower. We have some recessed lights that we have. We still have to do the fixtures for the, you know, for the tub, and put the shower head in up there. Yeah, but yeah, you know, stuff is in working order too, because we've been working on like plumbing and all that type of stuff too. So, you know, got the plumbing situated and got hot water and all that type of stuff too. But I think that's all I'm gonna show y'all for right now. Or should we show them some like an unfinished room?
Hold this one down.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna change my battery out. I'll be right back. Okay, so here goes some more of the kitchen. We got this area over here, area back up in here. It was a whole wall right here too, y'all, and we got rid of that wall and it just opened the space out. So like, I'm gonna sit y'all like back in here, so you can kind of see how it like turn. Yeah, but it's all opened up. Okay, he said y'all should see the other 2 rooms that's on this level. So I'll show y'all the other 2 rooms. Oh, let me go to the front first.
Show me the wood, the hallway.
Oh, it's painted over.
No, it ain't painted, it just dust. That's it.
So that's the door right there. Got a little flight of stairs here. And this is the hallway. Baseboards. It still got like the original wood and whatnot. The front closet, they go me. Okay, so I'm gonna take y'all to the back. It's 2 bedrooms on this level. And then there's more bedrooms upstairs. So this is 1 room, unfinished. So y'all seen the before. So this is 1 bedroom here. Closet. Yeah. You know, it's not damaged, you know, like it's not damaged like that. It's just, you know, some paint on the walls and, you know, they're plaster walls, but it's not like, it's no damage. Like that was a heat register. That's what that was there. But it's not damaged. We're gonna put carpet on the floors, put ceiling fans in all the rooms. And then, like I showed y'all, that's the bathroom. And then this is the other room. Let me turn y'all this way first so y'all can kind of see up in there. And then this is the other room. This room is huge. It has like built-in cabinets and stuff. All right here. And that's this room here. I'm not sure what this room was, but that'll be for the next buyer to decide. But it's a lot of space in here. Like I'm gonna sit y'all in the corner and then I'm gonna stand all the way to the bed. So y'all can kind of see. Yeah. And then it's a closet over here too. Closet in here. But as y'all see, you know, it's not like, you know, like the walls are just, you know, damaged like with holes and whatnot. It's just for us at this point now, we're kind of moving into a cosmetic phase. We're still working on just like fine tuning a little bit of electrical and a little bit of plumbing work. And that's just due to the fact that this is a 2-family unit that we're converting into a single family home. So it's gonna be huge, y'all. It's gonna be huge when everything is all said and done. This is gonna be a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath house. So yeah, it's really nice. This house is a little under 4,000 square feet. So it's a really nice size house. Like it's a really nice size house. And y'all know we in Detroit, so is our properties. So yeah, like I invest in where I live, you know. I don't really care too much to go into the suburbs. I was telling them, like we live in Detroit, so we prefer to invest in Detroit.
Right.
Like I'm not interested in like the suburbs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I rather like invest in the city that we live in.
Right.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Who lives there?
Right. Like this is our community. Like this isn't our neighborhood, but this, you know, Detroit is still our community. So that's where we prefer to invest. So all of our properties are all in Detroit. But yeah, but y'all can see like it's not beat up, you know, like it's not like just beat up, you know. Yeah, I be feeling like sometimes people when they be showing like Detroit properties, they always like dilapidated. Don't you agree? Whoa, it is. Yeah,
What happened?
it got dusty. Oh, these are more built-in cabinets too. I know I'm getting all sidetracked and stuff, but I feel like when people show Detroit properties, they always showing like the most dilapidated buildings or houses, you know. So that's why I want to show y'all ours. Even though we did do some work to it, for the most part, it looked like this when we bought it, didn't it? Like the walls wasn't like beat up. You know, like in the rooms and stuff. The floors is here and, you know, stuff like that. All we did majorly was like get rid of walls. And so far we got rid of 3 walls just on this level alone. But I'm saying overall, the whole house, it was really good. You want to say how much we got it for? Huh? Or keep it to ourselves?
It don't matter. It's showing it's money to be made in Detroit.
Right. Okay, y'all. So he don't mind if I tell y'all how much we paid for this house. So we paid $6,000 for this house, cash, and this is a brick house. 2 fireplaces, basement, and the basement had 2 bathrooms in it too. We gutted them all out because we had to just gut the whole basement so that we can work, you know. But yeah. $6,000 cash. All our properties are cashed out. No loans, no mortgages, all cash. That's just how we do it over here. So yeah. But I love this type of stuff, y'all. Real estate and like houses, buying houses, fixing them up, just like real estate period. Lands and stuff like that. It excites me. It's like my favorite thing. It's my favorite thing. So I'm happy to have a partner that can share, and that even if his passion for it isn't on 10 like mine's, like he still can dig it, you know, and he see the money that can be made from it, and just the excitement that it brings me to. So yeah, happy for the support, and you know, even just when it comes to the financial aspect of it all, you know. Yeah, so being partnered up the correct way and in a healthy way, that's a good thing too. We don't have any investors. Let me just add that in there too. We don't have any investors. This isn't like a, yeah, me, you, and God.
The man upstairs.
I know, that's right. So it just be me and him. We are our own little team. And yeah, setting up a future for the kids. I am a believer in, if I can't leave them property, y'all gonna have the finances from the properties that we did have. So yeah, just trying to leave them houses and lands, you know, not debt, you know, not trying to figure out mommy and daddy's debt, but just trying to figure out what their next move is going to be in real estate with the things that we are leaving for them. So yeah, this is just one of our properties. I really like this house because I really do just see the potential that this place have. And I know most probably would, I think most probably would keep it 2 units.
Yeah, no, we not.
Yeah, I think that that's probably the preferred way for people to keep it 2 units. But yeah, so this is just a little sneak peek into one of our properties in Detroit. $6,000 property. So hope y'all had enjoyed this little tour, and we gonna see y'all in our next little episode.
Look at that brick.
What is it?
Brick. Is that brick? Yeah, look, that's brick.
I don't got my glasses on. Is it real brick?
Yeah, real brick. This coming off. This coming off.
Oh yeah. Is it on both sides?
Yeah.
Oh, so they painted over it
Yeah.
in the front. What made you pour this
I
on?
don't know. Because it's already loose, you know what I mean?
This brick on that side too?
Yep.
Let me see.
Watch it step back a little bit. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Now that just added some character.
Yep.
Yeah, that's nice. We'll clean this brick up. Yeah. So we can just clean this brick up. And yeah, that's gonna add some character.
We not painting that.
Yeah, that would look nice.
I'm not trying to tear that. Watch yourself.
Yeah, that's nice. Y'all, typically in Detroit, a lot of these 2 units come with gas fireplaces, but what we do is we just cut the gas lines to them, pull the gas piping out, and just make them wood burning stoves. They still have, what's this thing called again? The flute. They still have flutes to them, so the smoke is still going to rise up through the chimney. So we're just going to turn this into a natural fireplace. So it'll be a wood burning fireplace here and upstairs. So that's just what we typically do. But yeah, once this fireplace get a good cleaning down, I'm gonna clean it down, and yeah, this will be a nice focal point on top of the double doors on this level. So yeah, I know we came across that brick out of nowhere, but I was exiting this video out. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.